None other than the most esteemed scholars are coming to your city. You won't want to miss this opportunity. Join us for the UK tour on Dawa and Alianah with renowned scholars, Maulana Muhammad Venker from South Africa and Maulana Zakariyya Muhammad from Leicester. These esteemed scholars will be sharing their profound insights and wisdom, inspiring hearts and minds across the UK. The tour kicks off on July 26th in Leicester with an enlightening session at Darul-uloom from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then join us for jummah at Masjid Mohommad Peach be upon him, followed by an evening session at Masjid Furkan from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. On July 27th, we're heading to Blackburn for an illuminating session at Masjid Sajideen after Zohr. Later that evening, meet us in Preston at Masjid Jameah after Magrib. The journey continues on the 28th with a session in Naneaton after Zohr, and then at Masjid Dawatul Islam in Batley after ASR. On July 29th, we're bringing the light of knowledge to Croydon Masjid after Magrib. And to wrap up this incredible tour, join us in Leicester on July 30th for a special meet and greet at 175 Evington Road after Magrib. This is more than just a tour. It's an opportunity to deepen your understanding, connect with fellow believers, and be inspired by the teachings of these revered scholars. Don't miss out. Mark your calendars and spread the word. We look forward to seeing you there.